Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the 10 cool things that you can do on Huawei P10 Lite. And I have actually divided this video into two parts, so there is a part 1 and part 2, and watch out for part 2, which is coming really soon. But anyways, let's get on to it and let me show you what are some really awesome things that you can do on Huawei P10 Lite. So the first feature that I want to talk about is the home screen style. So if you take a look at it right now, there is no app drawer, so it's all home screen, kind of like iOS, but you can change it. So go in settings, and in settings you will see this option called home screen style, and here you can go to this drawer option. So if you tap on that, you will now have an app drawer. So this is basic Android stuff. You can choose between the two styles, whichever you prefer. Now the second feature that I want to talk about is basically the font size. So you can change the font size. So go in settings, go in display, and here you will see this font size. So you can change the font size, go all the way to small. So if I go back, you will see that I am now able to see a lot of stuff on my screen. So you can do that, and then you can also go back and change it to all the way to huge. And now if I go back, you can see that I will be able to see some really large font. So again, it's up to you which way you like it, and then you can choose it according to your liking. Moving on, we have next feature, and that is called eye comfort. So this is basically a blue light filter. It filters out the blue light and put less strain on your eyes, and also helps you sleep better at night. So you can simply go ahead and turn it on, and from down below you can change the intensity of this filter. So it basically produces this really yellowish, dirty yellowish tinge on the screen, which I really don't like. So you can change the intensity, or you can schedule it. So you can set a start time and end time, and it will automatically turn on in those times and turn off according to that schedule. And then we have another really important feature here, and it's called increase readability under sunlight. So if you feel that you cannot view the display even with full brightness under direct sunlight, you can simply tap it on, and then hopefully you will be able to see it better under direct sunlight. So it increases the brightness of the display and helps you with this problem. Let's talk about some notification settings. So if we go in settings and go in notification and status bar settings, you will see here an option called notification method. So you can change the notifications to either icons that you can see right now. So we have got an Instagram icon at the top right now, showing that I've got a notification from Instagram. Now I can change it to numbers, so it will change it to number 1. So right now I have got 1 notification. So for example, if I've got 4 or 5 notifications from several apps, it will show a number written 4 or 5, which means that I've got 4 or 5 different notifications from the same app or different apps. So you can choose that, or you can simply go for icons, and it will show the icons of the apps on the status bar. Moving on, we have got battery percentage here. So basically you can change this as well. So right now if you take a look, the battery percentage is showing in the battery right now. I can choose it to go outside the battery and show next to it, and then I can remove it altogether. So you have got that option here as well. I like to keep it in the battery icon. It's neat and nifty, and I like it that way. So there is that. Moving on, we have got navigation key settings here. So you can see these soft buttons, soft navigation on screen buttons. So what you can do here is that you can change their order. So if I go in navigation key in settings, I can change the order of the recent key and the back key. I can choose this method, choose this way, or then choose this way, which is my favorite basically. So we have got an added icon here, so I can simply tap on it to bring down the notification panel, and tap it again to remove it. So there you go, you can change and play around with the navigation keys as well. Now let's talk about the next really cool feature, which is tied with the fingerprint scanner here. So if I go in fingerprint ID, here you will see some touch and hold gestures. So it's showing here that you can use the fingerprint scanner to take photo and videos, answer a call, stop alarm, show notification panel, and browse photos. And the good thing here is that your fingerprint does not need to be registered with the fingerprint scanner, so you can use any finger to use these features. So let's go in the camera, and let me show you how this one works. So I'm in the camera app right now. All I need to do is tap on the fingerprint scanner to take the photo. So there you go, I simply tap on it and it will take a photo. Similarly, you can use some other features here. So you can answer call, stop alarm, and then you can simply swipe it down to pull down the notification panel and swipe it back up to remove it. Now the next really cool and important feature here is the file save. So if I go in files, I'll see this option here called save. So if I tap on it, it will ask for my fingerprint scanner if you have already attached it with your save. So I'll go in. So here you will be able to add your images, audio files, video files, and then any documents that you deem important, and then you can add these important files into this file save and you can hide them from the prying eyes. So that's really important. You have got this feature here as well. And then there is another really important feature on this phone, and it's called app locker. So again, you don't have to download a third-party app locker from the Play Store. You have got that built in, which is synced with your fingerprint scanners. So all you have to do is go in a phone manager, and in phone manager just swipe to the left and you will see this option called app lock. Go in here and we go in here, so you can pretty much lock any app that you have on your phone. So for example, I have Chrome locked right now, so if I go back and I launch Chrome, it will ask for my fingerprint. So there you go, and now it allows me entry into the Chrome. So you can use this very important security feature, and you can use it to lock your important apps. So that's about it, guys. Those were the 10 cool things that you can do with Huawei P10 Lite. Stay tuned for the part 2, and I'll be releasing that really soon as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.